Hi, I'm Austin,
I'm Carson.
I'm Drew.
I'm Peyton.
and we're here to talk about type 1 and type 2 diabetes. The role of insulin in the body is it helps turn glucose into energy. It also helps your body store it on your muscles, fat cells, and liver to use later when needed.
The difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes is that type 1 doesn't make insulin, and type 2 makes insulin, but it necessarily doesn't work all the time because 1, there could be too much glucose, or 2, it just doesn't work. What I mean by that is in type 1, the flap is closed because glucose is not allowed in, but in type 2, the flap is open because glucose is allowed in, but it might not work necessarily.
Now we're here to talk about the process of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. First off, we're going to talk about the stomach. The stomach produces glucose in type 1 and type 2 diabetes.
Then down to the glucose. The glucose allows the cell to go through cellular respiration for type 1 and type 2.
After glucose, the pancreas. The pancreas stops making insulin because cells that make it are destroyed by body's immune system.
Then to the beta cells, which make and produce the insulin.
Insulin is the only thing that changes in type 1 and type 2 diabetes. In type 1, there is no insulin produced. In type 2, there is insulin produced, but it doesn't necessarily work all the time. To go more in depth, when you have type 2 diabetes, your fat, liver, and muscle cells do not respond correctly to insulin. Type 2 diabetes usually develops slowly over time.
Insulin receptors are an important part of the process because it reads the insulin and opens the cell membrane for glucose to go in.
After talking about type 1 and type 2 diabetes, we hope we've given you enough information about type 1 and type 2.